Welcome back to Cars of Sweden Live. And we are doing a bit of rallying today, Sean. Yeah? Off-road, and we are in a... What are we in?
A Works Lancia Delta 8 valve.
Right, this is mental. Right, this is an absolute rally Swedish works car as well, yeah?
It was built in Italy for Lancia Team Sweden. They built 3 cars,
Okay.
and this is one of them.
So 1 of 3?
1 of 3, yeah.
Right, so this one was actually raced in some series, huh?
Yeah, it's a Group N car, so it's registered so you can drive it on the road as well.
Right. So the Group N cars were how many cylinders does this one have?
This is a standard 2 litre 8 valve with turbo. It's about 187 brake horsepower and about 300 and something newton meters at all.
So it's top to bits then, yeah?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, we've had it on the road and it's been flying around up and down the road. It sounds amazing. It gets up, it gets going very quickly. What are we doing with it?
What do we do with it? We're going to have it on the auction in a couple of weeks.
Oh, right, so this was actually going up for auction.
Yeah.
And it's, like you said, it's road legal and everything else as well, so it's ready to roll.
Yeah, it's registered in traffic in Sweden.
I mean, obviously this is it's a bit of an exclusive, isn't it? Because, like you said, there's only 2 other cars like this.
Yeah. 2 other cars that are factory built. There's lots of other cars that were built in this style. But this is a factory car.
So we're looking for a real enthusiast to take on this project.
I mean, it's such an icon car. I mean, every kid back in the day dreamed of having this car. I mean, it won the World Rally Championships, I think 7 times.
I mean, was this the one that was dominated up until the Audi Quattros came along? Huh?
Yeah, but it was dominated with the Quattros as well. After the Quattros, with Quattros, I mean, it's a 4-wheel drive.
Right. So it's a proper boy. I mean, you see a lot of these cars sort of kitted out to look like this, yeah? But this is one of the real deals in its series.
Yeah, yeah. I mean, it's a rally car, so it's brutally hard to drive.
Yeah.
Bouncy.
Yeah.
Don't have to worry too much on this gravel road. But I don't want to press it too hard.
But you feel confident though. I feel confident actually that the car's gripping.
Oh yeah, of course it with this one.
I mean, you could probably hear, I'm not sure how well it's picking up on the cameras, but there's a lot of stuff going on underneath this car.
It's an interesting machine. And I mean, they engineered this car so well, so lightweight. And you've got everything you need on the suspension, full rally prepared.
It's a lot of fun.
Gets the funny looks from the...
Yeah. You're not going to make any friends like in neighbourhoods here, are you? But it's proper quick. Right, give it the beats. Alright, that's it. Neighbour's gonna love you forever now. Right then, Sean, so we've been out in the Lancia. Yeah, it's a lot of fun. Anything else interesting about this car that you wanna say?
So you got, yeah, you have a look through the back window here. I think it's obviously rally styles, and you just have everything bolted down. And you got the classic 4 rally headlights at the front, Marshalls, that you can fit on.
Yeah.
Option if you had them on the night stages, or
Little Batman logo there.
if you had them on night stages or just normal. So if you kind of look at it like this, the HF Integrale Evo costs these days for a good one, the road one, 45,000. And this one, a rally one, is around the same price, 500,000-600,000.
Okay.
So you get a rally repair factory car, built by Lancia. It's a Group N car. It's registered so you can drive it in traffic.
Tremendous.
So I mean, just buy it.
All right. So this one's going up on auction. You can say 2 weeks, but for people who are watching this, we don't know when this video is coming out. So
it's going to be like before the end of June.
End of June 2022. So you've been warned, people. Okay. So yeah. So thanks for checking out the show as usual. We'll see you all again next week for some more Cars of Sweden live. Lancia definitely doing the business. Sean's your man. We'll catch you again next time. Bye bye.